Hello everyone, welcome. Welcome to another lesson in our ongoing French course. In this lesson we are going to look at the verb croire. Croire, croire means to believe or to think in the sense of believe. First, a little bit about the history of the word. So the French verb croire, to believe, is derived from the Latin credere, which means to believe. So there are some related words in French which are crédible, crédulité, crédit, and incroyable. Related English words are creed, credential, and credible. So the important thing that you need to know about croire is that it is an irregular verb, which means you have to memorize the forms. No way around that. So let's take a look at the forms here. So, je crois, je crois, je crois. I believe, I think, je crois. Tu, you, the informal you. Tu crois, you believe, you think. Il, elle, on, croit, croit. Nous croyons, nous croyons, and of course notice the spelling, and the spelling changes here. Vous croyez, you believe. And il, elle, croit, croit, they believe. So we have je crois, tu crois, il, elle, on croit, nous croyons, vous croyez, il, elle, croit. Now let's look at some examples. So je believe, je crois, I believe, je crois. I believe so, if you want to say I believe so, meaning yes. Je crois que oui, je crois que oui. Okay, so there we have a very nice sentence in French. If you want to say I believe so, then je crois que oui. Je crois que oui. I believe so. Je I believe, je crois. I believe in, je crois en. I believe in love, je crois en l'amour. Je crois en l'amour. I believe in love. And let's fix it up here. Capitalization, punctuation. There you have a very nice sentence in French. I believe in love. Je crois en l'amour. Je crois en l'amour. He, il, he believes. Il croit. And of course, notice the spelling. Il croit. He believes in. Il croit en. He believes in science. Il croit en la science. Il croit en la science. So let's polish it up here. There we have a very nice sentence in French. Il croit en la science. He believes in science. All right, well, this lesson's short but sweet. So thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning and go on to another lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.